lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Maddie and I have had
an amazing McDonald's cheeseburger for breakfast or lunch, however you want to call it.
Amazing, because we did finish at like 5:30 in the morning and it is now early afternoon. First up, Ace Hardware Store. Why are we here? Because we are getting the final hardware for Nessie.
Yep. That's
exciting. I know Maddie's like excitement level -10, but he'll brighten up during the day. I'm just bright and breezy because I washed my hair, so I'm happy.
You got a hair wash?
I got a hair wash. It's the small things in life.
It's not full of grinder dust anymore?
No grinder dust in this hair today.
God.
And I look human. It's amazing. So yes, very exciting moves happening today. Max is back. He'll be back in a couple of hours. We're going to be doing Atlas shifter today, seats. That's what Max is going to be on today. What are we doing today, Maddie?
The steering ram pump and hooking up those lines.
Little things but big moves happening. Very excited. Prediction: we have the car fired up Thursday night. What do you think?
Science and magic.
Tell me what you think in the comments below. Enough talking, let's get in and get some hardware. Maddie has a list.
I got a list.
He's not shared it with me, but he has a list.
Well, I had to have someone share it with me. 1/2 inch, 2 inch shoulder times 20, so I bought a box of 25. Lock nuts times 20, I bought a box of 25. 40 washers, 50. Bought a box, it's cheaper. 9/16.
I think we have everything. I think it might be time to check on out.
Bolts, lock nuts, washers, 9/16 bolts, washers, lock nuts.
Time to head back to the good old shop. Okay, so today is all about PSC. That's what we're doing just now. Maddie is making some tabs for the front to go on the diff cover. And we're getting the work done. Hey Maddie, we love you, you're beautiful.
Uh-oh.
That's how I'm gonna start speaking to you all the time now.
What happened? What do you want from me? I'm making mounts for the solid side.
Okay.
Under the diff cover.
All right. Just being it right here.
Which...
Ah, that's hot.
Oh yeah, it's metal.
A little similar to Mischief Maker, because Mischief Maker has it off the diff also.
There's not enough room between the track bar mount and where the tubes get pressed into the cast housing to make a mount off of the axle tube, which I would like to do, but
we're working with what we have, right?
Yeah, we're doing the best we can.
Heck yeah.
All right.
That's a 5/8 bit. It's a big bit. All right. I'll get to cleaning. Oh my God, that's awesome. That looks good.
Yeah.
You happy with your work?
I'm happy. Happy.
The PSC is looking fantastic so far, and I'm going to switch you around and show you the clamp. Whee! All right, the clamp. This is actually made by Chris Webb, Chris 4x4 Garage. This is one of the clamps that he makes.
It's a double shear clamp, so you've got ears on both sides. Way stronger than the normal one that just has the post coming off of it.
Yeah, I've actually used my one from Chris. I've had one of his first ones for 3.5 years now and not had to move it. He's like, why do you have one of my new ones? I'm like, because it hasn't moved. So yeah, this is going to be awesome. Already tested with Mischief Maker. A little bit of a different speed, but hey, it's all the same.
It'll be strong, it'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll take another one. This is where we want it placed.
The key is to get this joint pointed at the end of the knuckle, so it passes through on a plane. Mm-hmm. You want to go from the center out with the ram. A lot of people put them here and come out to here. The problem is you now have all of this area to flex.
Yeah.
And flex the tie rod. When you go from here, you only have this area to flex, so it helps. A little stronger.
Hey Max, what are you getting into?
Doing the Atlas shifter. Hey, I'm helping. For my boy.
Walter's helping also.
I'm doing the
You guys have seen that though.
For my boy. Steve ought to be up here installing this stuff.
Oh my gosh. Who needs Steve when you have Max?
Don't make me laugh. I'm working, okay?
I'm sorry. Get serious, Max. Jeez. It's like you're having a good time or something. Walter's put these together. You guys just saw that. They look so brand spanking new. The ones in Mischief Maker are so beat up. Do you know what this means though? I had to work them. Yeah, it's taken 4 beautiful years in Mischief Maker to get them working perfectly. First of all,
it's plastic. It just needs to be right here, not over there. So
okay.
I get that.
He did exactly what you just said, but it doesn't go far enough over.
And then when we get over with the whole thing,
not the whole thing, just clock it.
That's what we
That's
did.
what we did last night.
It doesn't go over enough.
I clocked it as far as I could last night.
And he said, do you want me to put it there? And I said, it honestly doesn't make much of a difference. Back to Atlas. We've decided that we're gonna put them right here. Bam!
Bam.
Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Perfect. Love it. But there's other work to be done before we get it there. Doesn't it feel good?
Here's your co-pilot.
Shift a little.
Here's your co-pilot.
Do the shifter. Oh yeah, look at that face.
Who's the co-pilot?
Chris Miller.
Let me know if he doesn't show up.
I think there's like a line of people.
We just find him beat up.
That's fine.
We just
A few moments later.
You know what you're doing now.
There are too many pieces.
Well, there's always too many pieces. It's like a massive puzzle piece.
Puzzle piece.
All
right, so that looks good. I think we lower it and that'll give us some more access on that.
We're gonna cut it early today, I think, so that we can all regain strength and sanity for starting up again tomorrow. As I say that, of course, everyone is still gonna keep working because that's what we do. But guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. We're gonna get a lot done probably tonight and get back with you in the morning.